The last thing that I want to talk about is groups. You probably noticed in the syllabus and in the syllabus quiz that there is a talk or a section about group work and how computer science is not an individual activity, and that you're going to be placed in several semi-permanent groups during this semester. And the reason why you're going to be in a group is because, especially in an online class, you're going to need a group of people that you can ask questions of and that you can collaborate with and that you can talk with and brainstorm ideas. This is something that you will be doing in the real world in computer science anyway. And so as a result of this, you are going to be placed in several semi-permanent groups. And so if you go back to your Canvas course, under the Chapter 1 module, under Assignments, there is a new link called Student Availability. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to a Google spreadsheet that's going to allow you to tell me when you're available to meet with other students in your class. Now, this is an online class, which means the expectation is you do not have to meet with the students in person. You're more than welcome to meet with students online. And so what I want you to do is I want you to choose the top 3 times on this spreadsheet when you are most available to meet with other students. And so if you'll notice, it is broken up into the 7 days of the week, and there are a variety of different days and times that you can meet. And what I'd really like you to do is give me your name and your top 3 choices, and there are 3 pieces of information that I want beside your name. The first one is I would like to know your preference to procrastinate. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what is your procrastination level? Number 1 being that you have already completed all of the assignments for this course and you're just waiting for me to publish them 1 week at a time. Number 10 being you are still working on assignments from last semester, even though the semester is over. So somewhere on a scale of 1 to 10, I would like to know what your procrastination level is. The next thing I would like to know is if you prefer to meet with students online using electronic or virtual meetings like Google Hangouts or Skype or something like that. If you prefer to meet in person, say on the Davis campus or anywhere else, or if you have no preference at all, either one of them are acceptable. And the last thing that I'd like to know is if you are a first semester college student, if this is the first semester that you have ever taken college. And so here's an example of a student, David James, that has a procrastination level of 6. Either one is acceptable, in-person or online group meetings, and he is a first semester student, so we put the F by there. And I can see that David has selected 3 times on our spreadsheet. And I'm going to use this information that you give to me to put you in a group to begin with. And so I'd prefer to group the people together who are available during the same time of the day. I would also really prefer to group the people together who have around the same level of procrastination, so that I can have all of the early starters, or in a group, I can have early starters in a group together, and I can have our procrastinators in a group together so that we don't drive each other crazy. Anyway, so I'd like you to do this during the first week of school so that I can, during the second week of school, get you into a group so that you can have some colleagues to talk with. So that concludes my introduction to Canvas, our quick tour of Canvas, and a quick description of our course groups. If you have any questions at all, please let me know through Canvas, or you can send emails to my Weber email account. Have an excellent semester.